Welcome to the world of anti-gravity. What you're about to see is just the beginning. Meet AntiGravity A1, the world's first 360 drone. The sky becomes your playground.
It's time to make the impossible possible. Introducing HoverAir
Gentlemen, we have the technology. We have the capability to make the world's first 360 DJI drone.
Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna take a nice drive and we're gonna fly over this beautiful location. And the purpose for this flight was for me to capture some of this beautiful location and create one of the videos that I like creating for my aerial photography playlist. But right after that, we are going to dive into all the new drones and news is upcoming. It's a very exciting time. Here we go.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Let's do this.
Home point updated.
I chose this beautiful location for my next aerial video that I will be creating. For those who don't know, I have a playlist with aerial video footage, which is put together with some real relaxing music in the background. So the purpose today is to capture some of these wonderful scenes around this place. We'll do a semicircle around this little island, come around the other side. It says it wants to calibrate the gimbal, but it's too late now. Yes, I went through the checklist and I forgot to check for any calibration notifications. And basically, we've got a gimbal calibration notice. I'm only going to show the different shots that I will be using in this aerial video that I'm going to put together and add it to my aerial photography playlist. If you're interested, check out the link above or in the description below. That is the tree that caused the Mini 4 crash. I had just purchased the Mini 4 Pro and I came to this location to test the active track on my car. And basically it backed into that tree. If you want to get the full story, just click on the link in the description below and tell me what you think. I've made 2 videos regarding that crash in order to get the message across to DJI. Anyway, let's get back to our flight here. I'm getting a bit So like I said, I'm going to try to keep this short, but basically I'm trying to capture some nice scenery for the the aerial photography video. I think we'll go in closer for this guy and lower. So I won't be showing you everything, and parts of it will be in fast motion just to keep this video short. You see the home point, the yellow? Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah. I stopped because I was going faster than he was. There was no plan. There was no flight plan. So I'm just capturing the really interesting parts that look nice, or that will complement my aerial photography video, which is coming soon, by the way. He's hauling the mail. It's an interesting looking boat. It looks like a bathtub. Looks like a floating bathtub. That's the first time I hear the fan go on. It's really peaceful out here today. Even the water is calm. So this, by the way, is the St. Lawrence River here. There's a couple of fishermen there. There's some guys fishing over here.
Home is behind us?
It's in front of us now.
That's home.
Yeah. So he's behind me.
Now he's starting to move now.
So it appears that my wife Lisa is kind of interested in what I'm flying over. So this is McDonald Island, and the one up ahead is called Mille Roche Island. This one has a public beach that we're coming up to right now. Quite a few people here today. Like I said, it's a beautiful day today.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
We'll let it come in. Stick around till the end. I'm going to be sharing some of my thoughts regarding the new drones that are coming out really soon. 32%. But we're good. We're only 1,300 meters away. It better be good because it's water under there. And once again, DJI faces some competition, but I think they can handle it. So that's the tree that's responsible for my Mini 4 Pro crash. It's 300 meters away and 80 meters up. Here it comes. Stick around for the conclusion of this flight, and we're going to talk about some of the new drones and technology that are coming out, and I will make my prediction regarding what will happen with all this in play. Right above us.
Landing.
She's coming down. Just want to make sure it doesn't hit anything. And it's right on. Precision landing. It even avoided the tree over there. And we're good. We're going to go on and talk about some of this new technology that is about to be released in the next coming weeks and months. It's a very exciting time, and we're going to dive into it, and I will also give some of my predictions on what is going to happen and what DJI is to do. Okay, well, first up, AntiGravity 360. This is backed by Insta360. Is nothing like ever before. It's a drone that has 360 vision all around. Every new drone that gets released always has some kind of bugs or fixes that need to be applied. In this case, basically there is a bug that hopefully Insta360 and anti-gravity team are working to resolve. The issue is, because they have two cameras, one is on top and the other one is at the bottom, the middle viewing point of your screen, when it gets stitched up, gets a lot of artifacts and it's not smooth. Technically, what they should have had is a third camera in the front, but that's my take on that. Regardless, this is a groundbreaking piece of equipment. Not everyone will probably buy this. Myself, I would have liked to fly that drone and perhaps do some testing with it. Unfortunately, I'm not one of the YouTubers that got a free drone to test. Anyway, let's move on with our list. Next up, here's another drone that's gonna make a splash. The HoverAir Aqua is another drone that's due to come out soon. This is also another groundbreaking drone. This is totally waterproof, and it's going to be one of the first drones that is able to do what this drone does, which is swim. Anyway, if you go to their website, they have more information on this, and there's people that are also diving in and backing the production and release of this drone. Interesting. A lot of changes here coming up. Now, you know, some people would say, don't poke a sleeping giant when it's sleeping. Giant I'm referring to is DJI. They're not sleeping. Here's the thing. All these release dates for these drones I just talked about are coming up. There's nothing standing between now and the end of the year for DJI to come out with a drone that is a 360 drone just because they can. And they will. I think that they're going to be the first on market to release the 360 drone before it's available en masse for everyone.